Welcome to Nilu Kids TV. Let's play!
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for grapes, H for horse, I for ice cream.